Hi everyone, this is a Laird Euro cylinder. It's a 6-pin lock. That's the key. Reasonably challenging. Works normally. It's had a previous life, this lock, but not too bad. I've seen a lot worse. Okay, pin side tension. I'm going to use a slight hook, moderate tension pressure. Pin 1 and 2. I've had a few Lairds in the past and they've all defeated me. It seems to be my nemesis in the lock sport world. Just don't quite have the, doesn't suit my style, I think. I've got this one open once, so no reason I can't do that again. Don't like resorting to vulgar methods like 3-peat rakes and what have you. Just going through these pins, I think they're all standard, nothing in the feedback would indicate security pins. Up the tension a bit, I think. Swap to a slightly longer hook as well. There's the tension wrench. Right, finally open. Alright, let's get this Laird apart and take a look at the pins. I've already got the circlip off, just there. It's my second attempt at this. I have to use this pen. It's a normal plug filler, it is too thick. I'm expecting all standard pins in here, let's just double check. Okay, standard key pins as you'd expect. Take a look at the driver pins. To do this in reverse order. Okay, it's sorry, no, this is in normal order. Not much in way of spring tension. Here, you contribute to this being a bit kind of muted in the feedback department. These little copper springs. Shouldn't they copper anyway? Copper coloured at least. There you go, guys. It is a Laird 6-pin Euro cylinder, picked and gutted. Thanks for watching.